Hi, I'm Emma, I'm 33 and I am a mum of a 2-year-old and I am meant to be getting married in September. So when I was sort of getting in the process of planning for the wedding, I thought I really need to think about my skin. I've noticed I've got some little wrinkles up here and I don't really like my sad mouth. So I thought I'd go into the Cosmetic Skin Clinic and have a consultation there. Obviously lockdown happened, so we're now in a situation where we can't obviously go anywhere. But then I had a Cosmetic Skin Clinic were doing video consults. So I had a consult with Tara. Cosmetic Skin Clinic sent me a really amazing selection of products which manage all those different areas and just make sure that my skin's being looked after as well as it possibly can. Even if my wedding doesn't go ahead in September, whenever it does go ahead, I know my skin's going to be cared for as well as it can, and it's going to be looking its best. So really happy with it, and I hope you like the videos.
So what have I got here? Smart Tone, broad spectrum, nice SPF. I've got vitamin C. Daily Power Defense with the antioxidants to help my skin. Cleanser to get everything off my skin. Complexion renewal pads. I'm super excited to try these. Apparently they're amazing. And then lastly but not least, the Growth Factor Serum, which is really, really hydrating, which my skin seems quite dry at the moment, so it probably needs it. So there they are. Can't wait to get going with them.